For the woven wheel stitch, use 6 strands of floss. If it's difficult for you to thread the needle, use the needle threader. Now we are going to make 5 straight stitches like spokes on a wheel. Bring your needle up at the top of each spoke and push it down at the bottom. So you will be able to see all the spokes which are pre-drawn on the fabric. So once all 5 spokes are ready, we'll start weaving the rows. Now bring your needle up through the fabric in between any 2 spokes. And now tuck it under the first spoke. From here, it's just a weave over one spoke under the next and so on. Don't pull the thread too tight. Keep the thread loose and soft so the rows builds up with a nice rounded shape. If it gets too tight, no worries. Just use your needle to loosen it up and reshape the petals. And one more important thing to keep in mind is always push your needle under alternate strokes. If you poke your needle under the same or sequential stroke, the row shape might get altered and it won't look good. So always make sure to insert your needle under alternate spokes. So now keep weaving under all alternate spokes and gently guide the thread with your fingers as you go. I'm telling you to guide it with the fingers because this is a delicate stitch. If you pull the thread too tight, the shape might get altered. So you have to guide the shape through your fingers and your needles. Now, so you are doing it right. It's so it's not stitching really. It's more like wrapping or looping the thread around the spokes. And it's a very easy, beginner friendly, and it's a very beautiful way of creating rows. The end result will be super nice. So as you go, you'll notice the spokes start to disappear and your rows will take shape. So stop it only when you can't see the spokes anymore. So once you stop it in between, you'll be able to see the spokes and it doesn't look good. So once you can't see the spokes anymore, or just poke your needle back into the fabric and just tie a small knot and secure it, just we do for all the other stitches. So now I'm just tying a knot, looping it, and I'm just snipping off